When you search for the best swinging camping chairs, it can feel overwhelming. Everything looks similar, same features, same claims. But to find out what really stands out, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, King Camp Oversized Hammock Chair. The King Camp Hammock Camping Chair, priced at $96.99. What caught my attention here is its heavy-duty capacity of 400 pounds and oversized design. If you want a chair that offers real stability and comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The reinforced triangular cross-frame structure ensures that you won't be worrying about it collapsing under you. The lightweight 6061 aluminum means it's easier to carry around, and the adjustable backrest lets you customize your position, whether you want to relax upright or lean back. This chair has a spacious 31.5-inch wide seating area, which is fantastic for lounging without feeling constrained, especially during those long outdoor days. Now, some people have complained about the initial assembly, saying it can be a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's super easy to fold and pack away. So if you're someone who values comfort and sturdiness, it's definitely worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you plan on camping or spending long hours outdoors and need a chair that can handle it. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, as it's a bit bulkier due to its size, but offers amazing value for the comfort it provides. Now, if the weight of the King Camp chair is a concern for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 2, Timber Ridge Adjustable Hammock Chair. We have the Timber Ridge Camping Chair at $79.99. This caught my eye because of its adjustable backrest and portability. If you value comfort without breaking the bank, this one's a great option. The padded fabric and pillow really add to the overall relaxing experience, making this chair feel more like a cozy spot than just a camping chair. It supports up to 300 pounds and has an auto-lock system for added safety when fully open. Plus, it weighs only 15 pounds, making it easy to carry around in its included bag. You can set it up in seconds, which is a huge plus when you're eager to kick back and relax. The built-in cup holder is also a nice touch, keeping your beverage close at hand. However, some users mentioned the fabric isn't as durable as they hoped. Here's the thing, while it might not be the toughest chair around, it's perfect for those casual camping trips and beach days where you can handle a bit of wear and tear. This is perfect for you if you need a comfortable chair for casual outings and appreciate easy setup. Skip this one if you're planning more rugged adventures and need something more durable. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a combination of comfort and extra features. Product number 3, King Camp Deluxe Hammock Chair. Another King Camp option, their Hammock Camping Chair for $92.99. What I liked about this one is its combination of comfort and adjustable features. If you want a chair that caters to your lounging needs, this is worth considering. It supports a hefty 400 pounds and offers a hammock-style reclining backrest that's adjustable, letting you find that perfect angle for relaxation. The oversized seat is designed for maximum comfort, and the breathable mesh back enhances airflow, keeping you cool during hot days. Weighing just 10.3 pounds, it's easy to carry around without sacrificing strength or durability. Now, while this chair is fantastic, some users did mention that it can feel a bit wobbly on uneven ground. Here's the thing though, the anti-slip feet help mitigate that, and as long as you're on stable terrain, it's a dream to sit in. This is perfect for you if you want a chair for lounging that feels more like a hammock. Skip this one if you're looking for something that offers a more fixed seating experience. The price is reasonable for the comfort it provides, making it a solid investment. Now, if the adjustable design of this chair is appealing, you might want to check out the next one that adds even more comfort with a footrest. Product number 4, King Camp Chair with Footrest. The King Camp Hammock Chair with Footrest for $119.99. This one really caught my attention because it offers a detachable footrest for ultimate relaxation. If you want a complete lounging experience, this chair might be your best bet. The removable footrest allows you to switch from sitting to reclining without a hitch, and it helps reduce spinal pressure, which is great after a long day. The swing design mimics that gentle motion of a hammock, making it incredibly soothing. It supports up to 440 pounds, so it's sturdy and ideal for all body types. The setup is super quick. You can go from bag to relaxation in just seconds, which is perfect for those impromptu beach trips or camping adventures.
However, some users have pointed out that the footrest can be a bit cumbersome to store. Here's the thing though, the benefits of having that extra support while lounging outweigh the minor inconvenience of storage. This is perfect for you if you're looking for that ultimate relaxation setup while outdoors. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design without the extra features. It's a bit pricier, but for what you're getting, it's worth every penny. Now, if you like the features of this one but want something even more versatile, the last product on my list might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Timber Ridge Oversized Hammock Chair. We have the Timber Ridge Oversized Hammock Chair for $84.99. This one is great if you're looking for a blend of size and support. If you want something spacious and comfy for outdoor relaxation, this is definitely a contender. With a roomy 31.5-inch seat width and adjustable height options, this chair is perfect for people of all sizes. It supports up to 400 pounds and has a quick setup feature that allows you to lock it into place with a satisfying click. The included cup holder and side pocket keep your essentials nearby, making it super convenient for outdoor gatherings. However, some users have expressed concerns over the chair's weight distribution when fully reclined. Here's the thing, while it can feel a bit off balance, with a bit of adjustment, you'll find a comfy position that works for you. This is perfect for you if you want a spacious chair for various outdoor activities. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for hiking or backpacking. Given its price and features, it's a solid value for anyone wanting comfort outdoors.
We started with the King Camp Oversized Hammock Chair for serious comfort. Then we had the Timber Ridge Adjustable Hammock Chair for budget-friendly lounging. Next was the King Camp Deluxe version with its relaxing recline. After that, the King Camp Chair with footrest for ultimate relaxation. And finally, the Timber Ridge Oversized option for spacious comfort. Each one offers something unique for your outdoor adventures. Happy lounging!